Hey, it's your girl, Bargain Bella. Stop scrolling. Your 4th of July hosting game just got a massive upgrade, and your wallet is going to thank you. We are talking premium, party-ready, and can't-miss deals. I've combed through the Aldi finds for this week, June 24th through the 30th, and I found the absolute best steals to make your holiday backyard bash legendary, without the holiday price tag. We're covering everything you need to stock up on right now before these limited-time favorites disappear. Let's get into it. First, kick off your grill season with Simply Nature Fresh 85% lean organic grass-fed ground beef for just $5.99 a pound. Enjoy the taste of summer with California peaches, now at a great price drop of just $1.69 per pound. Looking for a refreshing snack? Our green grapes are also on a price drop, available for just $1.49 per pound. Add some crunch to your veggie tray with our mini cucumbers, featured at a price drop of only $1.69 for a 16-ounce package. Sweet and juicy blackberries are also on sale, perfect for summer desserts at just $1.49 for a 6-ounce package. You can also pick up baby Bella mushrooms for a fantastic price of $1.29 for an 8-ounce package. Need fresh tomatoes? Grab these cherub grape tomatoes for just $1.99 per 10-ounce package. For the main course, we have fresh, family pack, antibiotic-free, boneless, skinless chicken thighs for $2.49 a pound. Impress your guests with our fresh Maui pineapple Atlantic salmon on a cedar plank, priced at $10.99 per pound. Planning a big burger night? We have fresh 73% lean ground beef available in a 5-pound package for just $2.99 a pound. Complete your barbecue spread with St. Louis pork spare ribs, also available for $2.49 per pound. Don't forget the essentials. Parkview uncured beef franks are just $4.49 for a 15-ounce package. We also have mild or hot Italian sausage on sale, now just $2.99 for a 19-ounce package. Finally, pair your franks and sausages with our oven-fresh hot dog buns, available for just $1.39. For our next grill-worthy item, we are featuring fresh Black Angus USDA Choice Petite Sirloin Steaks, now at a price drop of just $8.99 per pound. Preparing for a large gathering? We have 75/25 ground beef patties, sold in a 3-pound frozen package for $13.89. Don't forget the buns. Our specially selected brioche buns come in a 6-count package for $3.99. Keep those burgers cheesy with Happy Farm's Deluxe American Cheese Slices. A 16-ounce package is available for $3.95. We also have fresh ground turkey, 85/15, featuring a price drop down to $7.99 for a 48-ounce package. Seafood lovers can enjoy Fremont Fish Market shrimp skewers, available for $6.99 per 8-ounce frozen package. Another great find for your grill is the Appleton Farms chicken skewers, priced at $6.49 for a 10.5-ounce package. For a hearty meal, check out Park Street Deli fully cooked sweet and smoky pork ribs for $8.99 for a 24-ounce package. Feeding a crowd? We have 64-ounce frozen packages of Kirkwood chicken wings available for $11.99. Stock up on fresh family pack chicken breasts, currently featured at a price drop of $2.19 per pound. We also have another option for turkey lovers. Kirkwood Fresh 85/15 ground turkey is available for $7.99 for a 48-ounce pack. Need a side dish? Pick up our rotini or caprese pasta salads. Each 20-ounce container is priced at $4.99. A classic barbecue staple, our original potato salad is available in a 32-ounce container for $3.79. Don't forget the snacks. Grab a bag of Clancy's original potato chips, 10 ounces for just $1.79. Finally, we have Clancy's flavored potato chips in honey barbecue or hot chili lime varieties at a price drop of 12.5-ounce bag for a $2.45 price drop. Moving on to more snacks, pick up a 16-ounce bag of Clancy's pretzel sticks or minis for just $1.99. If you need a larger size for the family, our 21-ounce Savorit's family-size cheese crackers are available for $3.79. Now for something sweet. Benton's Honey Graham Crackers are a pantry essential, priced at $1.99 for a 14.4-ounce box. Planning s'mores? Don't miss this price drop on Baker's Corner Giant Marshmallows. You can grab a 24-ounce bag for $2.99. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a 4-pack of Hershey's Milk Chocolate Bars for $5.49. Cool down with our frozen treats. Sunday Shop Milk Chocolate Orange Cream Bars are available for $3.39 per 30-ounce box. For the perfect dessert topping, Friendly Farms Whipped Dairy Topping is a steal at $2.49 for a large 32-ounce container. Hosting a party? Fresh guacamole is a must-have. Grab a 10-ounce container of Park Street Daily Fresh Guacamole for $2.99. Pair that with our flavorful 16-ounce jar of specially selected summer salsa, priced at $3.79. You can also pick up a jar of Casa Maquita Salsa con Queso for $2.15 to complete your appetizer spread. For big groups, look for the Pueblo Lindo party-sized tortilla strips. A 24-ounce bag is just $3.79. And honestly, those are the deals that are going to save you the most time and money this holiday weekend. Now, if you want to make sure your entire 4th of July menu is completely covered, you have to check out this video right here. I break down even more Aldi must-haves that are sitting on the shelves right now that you won't want to miss. Click that, and I'll see you over there.